What are the avenues for landing a job? This is the number one question in a fresh law graduate's mind, and this isn't surprising. Just look around and check how many of your batchmates actually found a job after their graduation. Check how many from among those are really earning well, just to say at least 25,000. The figures are likely to be discouragingly low. If you are a law student, you need to start with building your skills, track record, secure internships, perform at the internships, get called for more internships, and then called for assessment internship, which you will convert into PP. If you are a lawyer, start performing freelance work for startups. This will give you experience and open up new doors. When you do well there, you can move to a larger law firm. You can also start to perform remote work for your clients, whether you are a law student or a lawyer. For instance, you can do a reverse due diligence on a startup and help them to prepare for investment pricing. Simple steps to be law firm ready, irrespective of your grades, law school, work experience, or any other limitation on your part. Step 1. Learn about the expectation at a law firm from a young lawyer and identify the gap between where you are and where you need to be. Step 2. Stay focused in your preparation to acquire the sector-specific skills that you can demonstrate in your CV, application, as well as in interviews. The next step is to start learning the skills that you need to acquire one at a time. For instance, if you want to work in a law firm in mergers and acquisition and investment team, you need to learn about deal structuring, due diligence, drafting of SHA and SSA, and other relevant agreements. Learn how negotiations take place, deal is done, and various regulation which governs these deals. Out of these things, you can specifically learn the things that junior lawyers are expected to do, like filing specific forms with RBI, managing the data room, preparing due diligence questionnaires and requisition lists, and so on. On the other hand, if you want to get a role in an arbitration dispute team, you have to learn the very different skill. Like you need to learn how to draft litigation and arbitration related documents. After you have acquired the skills necessary to work in a law firm in which you are interested, it is time to demonstrate what you know to the public. You need to have people who know about your interests, your commitment to learn about the specific area of work that you are interested in. How can you demonstrate all these things? There are plenty of methods to accomplish this. Writing blogs, posts, articles, attending webinars, organizing webinars, creating YouTube videos, podcasts, doing internships, helping startups or other entities in need of help. Step 4. Share your work, reach out to the mentors, and build a long-term relationship. This is the part where you create a deep and meaningful relationship in the legal industry. And this will eventually help you to bag jobs, internships, and even the client opportunities. The other step is preparation for an internship, PPO interview, and job interviews. Most young lawyers perform this step without any prior stage. This leads to their preparation being very superficial. Most are in fact thinking that they will go and learn from the internship itself, and they do not prepare themselves in any way prior to joining the internships. This results in their inability to create any significant opportunity out of the internships. While they know that they must be confident, they often end up being nervous during the internships or the interviews. They wait passively for work to be delegated or questions to be asked by the interviewer. This is primarily because they do not know that what to expect next. This is not how the top performers function. You need to keep these points in mind and it would definitely help.